Go.
Play? Okay, cool. So we down here, this is the last floor. We've been to the past two floors and we've seen it. There's recording for studio equipment and we've seen, the drums and everything. So here is where the sound comes from, like when you're performing live and you want people to hear your audio, especially when you're on the microphone or you're a DJ just playing your music. This is definitely the place to be. So we have a couple of speakers here, good quality speakers. So these ones, I guess they're starting from like 35 and the ones at the bottom, which are mostly the bass beams, which is mostly the more expensive ones, like 44,000. So we have another set here that's slightly different. This is 15,000 and the bottom one is like 34K. So I would say like one of these guys should be able to do the trick for you. Or sometimes if you want to go for the cheaper range, I would say go for these guys. Because they are mobile as well. You can put them on the stand and there you go. Okay, this is the more stuff that they have here. So JBL is also doing like some live music and stuff. So this one is like 18K, and this one is like 25K. So just to balance it out, these two, you need probably these two. Alright. Yeah. So I think this is almost the same set as well for JBL. And then this is more like when you want to perform like events, the bigger stuff, like when you set up the lights and everything. So I don't know how much it is, but I'm sure I'm gonna ask one of these guys pretty soon.
And also, if you want to know some of the prices and stuff that we're not telling you, just come check it out. Come check it out. Give them a call. If you're in the U.S., come to Joe Berry.
And then this is also like another set. If you also want to get into the live.
So what we're about to do, guys, I'm finna cut off the camera for a minute because we finna look for some stuff that we need to look for, and then we'll get back to you later.